which he took many decisions. One of the biggest decisions was that he asked all Pakistani citizens living in India to leave India. This happened, a time was also fixed for this and the time was also extended. After the Pahalgam incident that happened a week ago, the entire social media and the entire media was immersed in this great pain and anger. But in the meantime, the Modi government took a big decision, and this big decision is that what he himself had opposed from many platforms. Now we talked about implementing the same and approve the caste census in the country. In the national census, this demand was being made for the last 30 years. And as soon as the government approved it, along with this, a competition for its credit also started among many political parties of the country. But those who are interested in politics know under what circumstances the Prime Minister Modi government had to take this decision. After all these circumstances, news is also coming out that the issue of Pakistan should not be sidelined. For this, political parties are constantly trying to keep this issue alive. In the action against Pakistan, the Indian government also said that Pakistan's water will be stopped. But in reality, when the analysis come out on this topic, it was known that Modi cannot do this for 10 years even if he wants to, and India will also need crores of rupees to do this. As far as war is concerned, every country and every citizen wants to avoid war because history is witness that the start of war can be announced but the end of war is not announced. So in such a situation, there is a demand from Telangana that work should be done on POK and it should be merged with India. Now senior leader of Jammu and Kashmir and former Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah has also protested against the decision of Modi government which he has taken against Pakistan. Actually, the Indian government announced that Pakistani citizens will leave India, after which they have now turned this decision of the government as anti-humanity when Indira Gandhi had created Bangladesh by breaking Pakistan. Even in refugees from East Pakistan were coming to India, Indira Gandhi intervened and created Bangladesh. On this Pakistani citizen living in India, Farooq Abdullah has said that this is inhuman and against humanity. He has said that this action taken by the central government is not good because it is against humanity. There are many people here who have been living for the last 70 or 25 years. Their children are here. They have not harmed India, have always been a good citizen. They have themselves surrendered themselves to India. In such a situation, it is not right to